Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, lecturer of Mathematics, Kent Public School and College, Soyedpur. Today I will solve some math on exercise 6a, that is fraction. We have written one question. I am reading this question. Do calculation 1 integer 1 by 3 plus 3 integer 1 by 4 minus 2 integer 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. I'll solve this sum. Here 1 integer 1 by 3, 3 integer 1 by 4 and 2 integer 5 by 6 are, these three are mixed fraction, 3 by 4 proper fraction. Solution: 1 integer 1 by 3 plus 3 integer 1 by 4 minus 2 integer 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. First, I will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here 1 is integer 1 by 3 proper fraction, 3 here denominator, this 3 multiply with integer 1, that is 3 ones are 3, then add with numerator. Here numerator is 1, 3 plus 1, this will be 4 by 3. Similarly 3 multi 4, this will be 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. 2 multi 6, this will be 12 and add 5, 17 by 6. 3 by 4. We are seeing 3, 4, 6 and 4. These 4 are denominator of this 4 fraction. So at that moment is needed to LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 4. Wrap here 3, 4, 6, 4. 3, 4 is divided by 2, 2, 6 also divided by 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, here 2 twice, so I am writing here 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1, next I am writing here 3, 3 is divisible by 3, here 1, 1, 1 and 1. So LCM will be 2 multi 2 multi 3, this will be 12. We got the LCM of this 4 denominator is 12. 3 is divisible by 4, our quotient will be 4. 3 4s are 12, 4, this 4 multiply with numerator, here numerator is 4, 4 4s are 16. This 4 is also divisible by 12 is also divisible by 4, that is we get here quotient is 3. 3 is multiplied with numerator, here numerator 13, that is 3, 13, 39. Similarly here 2, 2, 17, this will be 34, 3, 3, 3, 9. We are seeing 16 and 39, these two are plus, here minus 34 and minus 9. I am writing together this. Nine, 6, 15, 1 is hand, 4 and 5, 55, 4, 9, this will be 13, 13, 1, 43. 55 minus 43, 5 minus 3, here 2, 5 minus 4, 1. We get 12 by 12, 12 and 12, these two are divided is other, we get here 1. So answer is 1. We can solve this sum another way. Our first two line is needed to solve this. Dear learner, we are seeing a denominator of first fraction here 3, second fraction 4, third fraction 6 and fourth fraction 4. We want to make into equal denominator. So first is needed to LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 4 we have already done. The LCM of 3, 4, 6, 4 is 12. So I will make all the denominator in equal denominator, that is 12. I have to make all the denominator in 12. Here numerator 4 and denominator here 3. What is number is needed to make 12? Here multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, because 3 4s are 12. Here 13 4. What is number is required to make 12? Here 4 3s are 12, that is 3. 17 6. 2 multiply 6, this will be 12. So 2 is needed. 3 3 is a 4 3 is a 9, we know, because 4 3 is a, this will be 12. Now 4 4 is a 16, 3 4 is a 12, 13 3 39, here 12, 17 multiply 2, this will be 34 by 12 and 9 by 12. We are seeing here all the fraction have equal denominator, that is denominator is here 12. So LCM of denominator will be 12. 12 is divisible by 12. The question is 1. 1 is multiplied by 16, this will be 16. Similarly here 39, 34 and 9. 16 and 39, these two have inside the plus, and here minus 34 and 39. So I am writing this 34 and 9 together. You know, this will be 55 and 43, 12, that is 12 by 12 is equal to 1. Here answer is also 1. This is very easy way. We can solve using this way. I'll solve another one. Here question number 6. Geeta has one integer 5 by 6 liter of juice, and Mamun has 13 by 8 liter of juice. Who has more juice? Who has more juice, and what is the amount? Here have two questions. First, who has more juice, and second here, what is the amount? Okay, I am solving this. Geeta has 1 integer 5/6 liter. This is mixed fraction, so I'll convert this improper fraction. 6 1, this will be 6, and add with 5, 11/6 liter. Mamun has 13/8 liter. First, we express Geeta's and Mamun's juice in equal denominator. Here 11/6. We are seeing here 6 and 8. This is the denominator of first fraction and second fraction respectively. First, we will do LCM on 6 and 8. To this 3, I have 4. So LCM will be 2 multi 3 multi 4. That is 2 multi 3, 6, 6 multi 4 is 24. Here LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So here 11/6, here denominator 6. So we want to make in equal denominator of 11/6 and 13/8. Here in denominator 6. So what is number is needed to make 24? 6 for the 24. So 4 multiply numerator and denominator both. This will be 44/24. At 13/8, 13/8, we can multiply numerator and denominator by 3, because 3 is 24. Here 3, here 3, 39/24. So 24 and 24, this is the equal denominator of this two fraction. Since at 44 and 39, 44 is more than 39, or 44 divided by 24, and 39 divided by 24, 44 divided by 24. This is the equivalent fraction of 11/6. 11/6. 39 divided by 24. This equivalent fraction of 13/8. Here 11/6, this amount of Geeta, and here this amount 13/8, this amount of Mamun. So Geeta has more juice. Here this is the amount of Geeta. Therefore, Geeta has more juice than Mamun. Who has more juice? Geeta has more juice. Second part, what is the amount? Geeta has more juice than Mamun. (44, 24). This is the equivalent fraction of 11/6. 39 divided by 24. 24, this is the LCM of 24. You get here 44 minus 39, 5 by 24 liter. This is the required answer. The answer of first question, this will be Geeta has more juice, and second question, what is the amount? So Geeta has more juice than Mamun, here 5 by 24 liter. This is the answer of second question. Thanks for watching my class. Stay home, stay safe.